Now I'm at the Sanders Chocolate Factory. I usually change how I dress when I go to work, but let's see how they react to me. They're gonna think I'm at the wrong place. Like, sir, this ain't the Fox Theater. What you doing in here? Take it easy. Knock, knock, knock. I'm here for pickup. What's going on? I'm early though. My appointment at 1.
Hey, I don't mind a person being early.
I see you.
Where are you going?
Aurora, Colorado. Yes. Gotta put chocolate on 55 degrees. This is -10. That's way too low. It's a little dirty in here. I can get these woodchucks out. Let's go. Now I gotta park in that spot. And there's a little amount of space. I don't want to hit little homie over there, so I gotta. So I'm checking in the mirror, looking at the guy, looking at the back of my trailer, looking at the guy. And I'm gonna inch it back, inch by inch. See if I can do it while I'm recording. Yes. Turn the wheel. Now I'm done parking. He want to move. See what I got. All right, everything all set. My temperature straight. Let's go.